The word do is one of the most flexible in English. It can be used in a lot of different ways in idiomatic expressions and phrases. For advanced English learners, getting good at these words can make reading and speaking much easier. Here are a few popular phrases that use do, along with what they mean and some examples of how to use them. 1. Do away with. Meaning, to get rid of something or to abolish it. Example, the company decided to do away with the old filing system and implement a digital one. Explanation, this phrase is often used in contexts where something outdated or unnecessary is being eliminated. To do someone a favor. Meaning, to perform a kind act for someone. Example, could you do me a favor and pick up my dry cleaning? Explanation, this phrase is a polite way to request assistance or help from someone. 3. Do one's best. Meaning, to put in the greatest possible effort. Example, she always does her best to finish her work on time. Explanation, this phrase emphasizes the effort and determination put into achieving a task or goal. 4. Do without. Meaning, to manage without having something. Example, during the power outage, we had to do without electricity for several hours. Explanation, this phrase highlights the ability to cope or manage in the absence of something. 5. Do time. Meaning, to serve a prison sentence. Example, he did time for his involvement in the robbery. Explanation, this phrase is informal and often used in legal or criminal contexts. 6. Do the dishes. Meaning, to wash the dishes. Example, after dinner, it's my turn to do the dishes. Explanation, this is a straightforward phrase related to household chores. 7. Do business. Meaning, to engage in commercial or professional activities. Example, they prefer to do business with companies that have a good reputation. Explanation, this phrase is used in professional and commercial contexts to indicate transactions or dealings. 8. Do away with. Meaning, to abolish or put an end to something. Example, the school decided to do away with the uniform policy. Explanation, often used when referring to rules, policies, or practices that are being discontinued. 9. Do good. Meaning, to perform beneficial or positive actions. Example, she believes in using her wealth to do good in the community. Explanation, this phrase often implies altruistic or charitable actions. 10. Do harm. Meaning, to cause damage or injury. Example, his careless remarks did more harm than good. Explanation, this phrase is used to indicate negative consequences or impacts. 11. Do over. Meaning, to repeat or redo something. Example, the teacher asked him to do the assignment over because it was incomplete. Explanation, often used when a task needs to be repeated for improvement or correction. 12. Do the math. Meaning, to calculate or figure something out, often implying the answer is obvious. Example, if we leave at 5 p.m. and it takes 2 hours to get there, you do the math. Explanation, this phrase suggests that the solution is straightforward and can be easily calculated. 13. Do wonders. Meaning, to have a very positive effect. Example, a good night's sleep can do wonders for your mood. Explanation, this phrase is used to describe actions that result in significant improvement or benefit. 14. Do in someone. Meaning, to exhaust or tire someone out. Example, the long hike really did me in. Explanation, this informal phrase suggests physical or mental fatigue caused by strenuous activity. 15. Do justice. Meaning, to represent someone or something accurately and fairly. Example, the photograph doesn't do justice to the beauty of the landscape. Explanation, often used when the representation falls short of capturing the true essence or quality. 16. Do credit to. Meaning, to bring honor or distinction to someone or something. Example, your excellent performance does credit to our entire department. 17. Do one's bit. Meaning, to make a contribution to a cause or effort. Example, everyone needs to do their bit to reduce plastic waste. Learning English sentences with do can help you speak and understand English much better. People use these phrases all the time, both in everyday speech and in official and business settings.